Good morning, students. Let's begin our social science class in continuation of NCRT Geography chapter Manufacturing Industry. Today's content: chemical industry, cement industry, fertilizer industry, automobile industry, information technology, and electronics industry. In this video, I am going to discuss about all these industries. Apart from agro based and mineral based industries, there are some other industries also which play a very important role in countries' development. Let us first discuss the chemical industry. The chemical industry in India is fast growing and diversifying. It contributes approximately 3% of the GDP. It is the third largest in Asia and occupies the 12th place in the world in the term of its size. We use chemical products in our daily life like soap, shampoo, cosmetics, cleaning products, etc. The chemical industry makes products from both organic and inorganic chemicals. Let us discuss product manufactured from inorganic chemicals. Sulfuric acid is used to make fertilizers, synthetic fibers, plastic, adhesive, paints, and dyes stuff. Soda ash is used to make glass, soaps, and detergents and paper. Product from organic chemicals. Organic chemicals like petrochemicals are used for manufacturing of synthetic fiber, synthetic rubber, plastic, drugs, and pharmaceuticals. Now let us discuss fertilizer industry. Fertilizers are very needed and important for agriculture. The Indian fertilizer industry produce many types of fertilizers. Nitrogenous fertilizers, mainly urea, phosphatic fertilizers and ammonium phosphate DAP, complex fertilizers that have a combination of nitrogen, phosphate and potash, NPK. India does not have any commercially usable potash reserve, so we have to import potash from other country. Location of fertilizer industries: Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala contribute towards half of the fertilizer production. Now it's turn to study about chemical cement industry. For every construction activity, cement is the most essential material. Limestone, silica, and gypsum are the raw material used for manufacturing cement. Coal and electric power are needed apart from rail transportation. Decontrol of price and distribution since 1989 and other policy reforms led the cement industry to make rapid strides in capacity, process technology, and production. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. So many cement industries are located in Gujarat because of easy access to Gulf markets. East Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia have a great demand for Indian cement. Next comes the automobile industry. For easy transportation of raw materials, goods, and passengers, the automobile sector is very important. Indian automobile industry manufactures two wheelers, three wheelers, and multi utility vehicles. After liberalization, many foreign companies invested in the automobile sector of India. This created the demand for vehicles of different models. Now, these are the places in India for automobile industry. The last industry which we need to study is information technology and electronics industry. Information technology is the use of computers to store, retrieve, transmit data or information. Or we can say this is the definition of information technology industry. In today's world, information technology is used in every field from school to space. Information technology is supported by the electronics industry, which makes telecommunication devices. Bangalore is the electronic capital of India. A major impact of this industry has been on employment generation. It is encouraging to know that 30% of people employed in this sector are women. This industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in the last 2 or 3 years because of its fast growing business processing outsourcing sector BPOS. The continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key to success of IT industry in India. Now, this is the assignment. These places indicate software technology park in India. Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram. These all major software technology parks in India. Question related to the topics. Where are the automobile industry located in India? 1 mark. Which city has emerged as the electronic capital of India? What does the electronics industry consist of? All these 1 mark. What is the importance of automobile industry in India? Describe in brief 3 uses of aluminium. Previous video I have not given question from aluminium, so I added in this. And what are the software technology parks definition? So all these questions related to topic assignment. Mark and locate on political map of India given software technology park. Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.